y'all, it's Darlene Liker. We are on a Make It Monday, and as you noticed probably from my last post, you're going to get to see other rooms of my house. So this is the Hodges room. I'm a Hodges, so all the furniture and pictures and everything came from my side of the family. So today we are going to do a soothing skin spray. So if you're like me and you either have already turned in your ER order for the month and you run out of something, you have to make you got to make up something to go in place of your Young Living product, which this one would be for Lavenderm, at least in my book for right now. So I need 1 teaspoon of witch hazel, and then I need, and this is a 2-ounce bottle that I got off of Amazon. Again, pick your color. So I'm going to do half a bottle, squeeze that in there, and this is the same gel. You don't want juice, you want the gel that you use for your hand sanitizer. Okay, now I want 12 drops of lavender. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One of the other videos coming up, you will see that I have some amber color bottles too. They're very pretty as well. Just different colors, different times I order, just depends. And then I'm going to top it off with water. There we have it. I use distilled water. And then what do? We shake it, baby, shake it, shake it. And this you can use for soothing skin from being out in the sun too long. So yeah, then you just squirt and rub. And oh, so lovely, especially if you're going to use it in the evening, just because of the scent, right? But the lavender is like that Swiss Army knife we talked about. It's good for so many things, skin related and just health related. So, yep, y'all enjoy that soothing skin spray. There you have it. Y'all live well.